Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today let's do a quick unboxing and hands-on review of the Pixel 3a smartphone. To the back, if you can see, it's written hashtag Team Pixel. So here you can see it's written Google Pixel 3a, and this smartphone has launched at a price of 39,999 rupees. So unboxing the box packaging, to the top we get this Google Pixel 3a. So here you can see this phone has a classic pixel design and looks pretty elegant. Further in the box, you get this SIM ejector tool, a user guide, and basic safety guide. This cool looking Google and hashtag Team Pixel stickers, the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, the micro USB to USB Type-C adapter, pair of earphones, and a 18-watt charger. So this is the user interface. You can see it's quite minimalistic and it's pure stock Android. So here we have the Android 9.0 Pie installed on the smartphone. So here is the settings panel. So this phone comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage, and the digital well-being, which will show your phone usage statistics. So this is the camera interface. You can see we have panorama, portrait, camera, video, and other few modes such as night sight, photosphere, photo booth, slow motion, playground, and lens. So here is the amazing 12-megapixel camera on the Pixel 3a smartphone. So here is the portrait mode. Let us try and take a shot here, and let's see the final output. So here you can see the final output. You can see the amount of blurriness that has been come. So you can see this part is totally blurred, and the photo is quite sharp too. So this part which we focused is totally perfectly focused, and other part have been blurred perfectly. So guys, that was our video of the Pixel 3a unboxing and quick hands-on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel as the Trendy blog. So make sure to check the description for full review link. So we would be also posting a gaming review video. So if you're interested, you can go and check that. Link to same will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon. My next one. Till then, peace out.